Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a live subscriber account. So what you need to do is search live subscriber account. So let's do that. Then I just scroll down to this one right here, live subscriber account, YouTube real time. Click on that and it'll pull you up to this. And it'll just probably pull up the Ellen show or maybe something else, just I don't know, something like that. And then you just want to type in your channel. And then click enter or search. Let's try it again. Let's do the search button. And look at that, pulled it up right away. Shows me how many views, shows me how many videos. And then if we go to YouTube, it does show you, like, if I go to my channel, 24 subscribers, and then unsubscribed. Just as a demonstration, I'm having my brother do this right now. And then he subscribed, got that. So sometimes YouTube doesn't really like show it or refresh it. It may not. Okay, it does. Sometimes it doesn't. Alright, so then I have 5. Let's see how many videos I have. 5 videos. Alright, maybe that might not be right, but I am doing a video right now. And that's how you get a live subscriber count. Tells you how many views you have. Let's check that. It might change because people might be watching it right now, but go to about 4, 3, 5, 1. 4, 3, 5, 1. So that's good. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's see if we can get this number up to 50 by the end of the week. I'm going to be probably doing like 4 to 5 videos this week, and then it might like slow down, but I'm going to try doing a lot of videos, like managing videos. This will be uploaded tonight, but I'm going to like make videos and make sure they get uploaded. Most of them should be uploaded around 3 o'clock p.m. If not, it will be later than that, but that's like the earliest. And then Saturday and Sundays pretty much I probably won't upload videos, but I might. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications if you guys like want to get notified when I upload videos. I mean, if not, you don't have to, but I upload videos every once in a while. And let's see what else we can do. Oh, you can do like real time versus, and it's live. Must be a glitch in the system or something. I don't think they're tied or whatever. Compare multiple, your channel here. So whoever created this must like them 2 channels. Alright, well, make sure you guys like